Hey, so today is February 29th. I'm waiting for my bus to Chennai. I still got an hour. Was kind of, thinking there's gonna be a taxi because I'm a little bit remote, but no problem. Allah came to the rescue, and I'm looking for something maybe to drink. Get some tea. Yeah, so Puducherry is nice. I feel you should get like 3 nights. If you're arriving late at night, then definitely 3 nights. I arrived late at night. I just had 2. I think 3 is the best option. Just to have a glimpse, a small taste of Puducherry. So a small stop, 15 minutes. Yeah, so just arrived in Chennai. It's 3 p.m. so it only took 3 hours. It was very fast. And I'm looking, waiting for my scooter, looking for it. It's somewhere close. Yeah, well, that was a cool ride and super fast. Just have change, like they usually don't have change, like, yeah. So just came to my place. Look at this, I have all of this for me, like, what's here? Like toilet, one of the best. What's here? Kitchen just for me. And what's here? A balcony. Oh my god. Look at this place. It's huge. It's so cheap. What, 10 euro? And this is my room with AC. Big bed. Oh my god, it's so hard. Okay, never mind. This is the normal shower, like hot water and stuff. Yeah, towel. Even I have a towel, like water towel. This mosquito thing. Yeah, you see everything I need. I kinda didn't look where to go in Chennai because I didn't find nothing interesting, but yeah, there's some kind of big long beach, and next to my Airbnb there is this lake with a mountaintop. Hello. So there should be somewhere a mountain. I'm just amazed that there is this huge lake near the city. Hello. So yeah, this is the lake. Looks kind of clean, but probably is not. So there's some kind of viewpoint, but I needed to go the other direction. Yeah, I didn't know that. Probably not gonna do that. Wanna go see the beach also. Yeah, this looks like more like it. I'm loving the view. Very nice. No snakes. No funky plants. Oh, shit. Oh, cool. Like a nature's paradise in Chennai. Awesome. Probably don't even need a hike. You can see everything from here. Whoa. So cool. Even a mini waterfall. Some bats. Birds. Yeah, cool. So my SpiceJet flight got like changed. Somehow I read it's like March 24th, but it just said like March 2nd 24 and got revised like an hour and a half. But that's nothing new with SpiceJet. They're like all the time doing this stuff. And last time I had like 1 or 2 flights with SpiceJet. They're all the time late. Yeah, so this mountain was kind of cool, but a little bit of trash. So it is called Hidden Lake in Chennai. So it was quite close to my Airbnb. Yeah, I wish I had time to climb up. But yeah, I'm gonna go check out the city. I still have like 1.5 hours till sunset. So I'll probably just go to that famous beach in Chennai. Get some food, maybe not. Maybe after sunset would be wiser. Yeah, and just check out the city. I don't know. Yeah, probably I'm just gonna see a lot of stuff by scooter anyway, so. But it was like something around 30-40 minutes. Yeah, my Airbnb is quite far, but it was a nice ride. I'm at the marina beach. Yeah, cool. Chaos. Yeah, I feel I should spend more time in nature. I'm doing a lot of cities recently. Get some water. Yeah, this place looks huge. Like the beach is so long. I'm tired of walking. Like, I'm not tired, but more bored. Yeah, so we reached it. Woohoo! Hooray! Nice. Yeah, the walk is not that nice, but the whole beach area is very nice. Like, it's so long. I read like I think it's one of the longest beaches in India.
You want auto, sir? YouTuber.
And this looks kind of cool. Yeah. Huh. I wonder who is this guy. Like, it's very fancy for one guy. Probably I should just ask somebody. They're very talkative. Look at them. Sunshade glasses. I don't know why. Maybe looks kind of swag, but maybe it's just blindness. So he was like a politician. He did good things for India, like state-wise, speech-wise, yeah, equality, and so on. So probably he was a very nice leader. Yeah, so that's about it that I read. Came to this Radna cafe. It was kind of hard to get a scooter from the beach. Yeah, it's chaos. Like, oh man, I'm hungry, like super hungry. Never seen a toilet like this before. You can squat or sit. So first meal, plain Italy. Yeah, this place looks very nice so far. And second, ghee masala dosa. Yeah, I kind of spent twice the price, but still it was kind of nice. It had AC and stuff like that. I didn't think Chennai is this big, but it looks like it's huge. Yeah, I just came back home. I took a scooter for 47 minutes. Yeah, it was kind of cool. Just bumped my finger very bad somewhere when I was walking, my toe. I'm gonna check it out. It's okay.